All right, hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So it's that time of the month, but this time we are doing something different besides makeup. Yes, it is the collaboration with my Beauty Over 40 girls, but we are doing a tag video. If you'd like to see the questions and my answers, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. But before I get started, I want to just make sure I invite you guys to follow all of the other ladies that are included in this month's collaboration. And yes, of course, I will have all their information down below. And make sure you support them and show them some love. And make sure you tell them that I sent you. All right, so I wanted to do something, well, it was presented to me to do the tag. And I thought, hey, well, let's just go ahead and do something different this month. I've been really busy with work and my online business, so I thought it'd be a great break for myself as well as the girls to do this tag. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Let me see, looks like there are 21 questions. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first question is, what is the oldest makeup product in your collection? For the sake of the video, I'm thinking I'm not going to show the actual item, or I'm just going to answer the questions and just keep it on, because if I actually try to show you guys all of the actual products or the things that I have, it's going to be much longer than what I'm wanting. So I'll just tell you guys my answers and keep going. So what is the oldest product in your collection? And I'm just going off of memory. It's probably, do you guys remember those old NYX little, kind of like little capsules, or little bullets that used to have like the loose pigments? Yeah, I still have some of those. So I'm going to say that's my oldest product. Number 2, what is your most recent makeup purchase? Ooh, what is my most recent makeup purchase? No, I can't. I'm gonna say my most recent makeup purchase. I'm gonna say my lashes that I have available on my website, and I happen to have one right here. These are the Vibrant lashes. My boy, sorry guys, I was sick last week and I'm about like 97%. All right, so that is my most recent. For you guys that don't know, I have an online store, so definitely make sure you check that out. Number 3, what is the first makeup product you ever used? First makeup product I ever used was, I'm definitely gonna probably say a lipstick. I remember at a very young age, around 12 years old, wearing a red lipstick. So I did full circle, sort of wearing red lipstick, and then didn't like it at all, and now I love it again. So that would be my first product ever used. What is a makeup trend that you used to love but now you hate? I'm going to say when I was much younger, and although I still see people do this, the black eyeliner with clear lip gloss. Oh my gosh, there's this girl I follow on TikTok. I'm like, girl, come on now. I don't have the guts to tell her, but I'm like, really? What is a makeup trend that you used to hate but now you love? I'm gonna say highlighting, like the glow. I was not a fan of that when it first came out, but I'm a lover of that trend, and I don't think I will ever part with it. I love highlighting. All right. What is your favorite step in your makeup routine? All right, what is your favorite step in your makeup routine? That's really hard because I really do love complexion. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I love doing my skincare and then the foundation, which is still part of complexion. So I'm gonna smush that all in a category and say complexion is my favorite. Makeup product you can't live without. Ooh, I'm gonna say foundation, because I can find myself doing a lot with foundation, and that might be a really good challenge. So I'm gonna stick with foundation, because I can definitely, you know, you can do the skin, You can highlight with it. I've even used foundation as a lip liner, and also I actually won a contest doing my brows with some foundation. So hey, I can take foundation a long way. Let me know if you guys are up for that challenge. All right, what sparked your love for makeup? What sparked my love for makeup? I'm gonna say definitely YouTube, and there was one YouTuber in particular, and I don't know if any of you guys followed her or even remember her, but I was absolutely in love with Lip Shock's work. She inspired me so much. Of course, she ended up leaving YouTube for her family life, but believe me, I stalked her through the years and asked her to come back. But she's a beautiful wife and mother, and she seems to be happy, so that's all that matters. I do follow her on social media. She doesn't post a lot, but every now and then she does pop up in my timeline, and I still have personal emails that we sent to each other during that time she was on YouTube, and she has a special place in my heart. I know she does not know and will probably not ever see this video, but I owe a lot to her because she inspired me, and she is the reason why I am here today. Number 9, what is the worst makeup look you've ever done? You know, I can't remember in particular. I know I have several. You know, while working for MAC, you had to be on your A game. You couldn't come to work without a full face. You just could not. So I will probably, again, I can't think of any look in particular, but I would definitely say, all right, what is your, number 10, what is your favorite makeup look you've ever done? I don't know. I mean, I do know I have several. I have to give more than one answer. But one year I did the other mother for from Coraline. I did that, and I ended up winning a contest at work, so that was pretty fun. But then aside from that, one year I did a pink cut crease for breast cancer awareness. That was a really nice one. But there's been several I've done on my clients. Definitely a cut crease or a halo. But also I love just a really beautiful natural look. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't just give one answer. What is your favorite drugstore makeup product? Ooh, what is my favorite drugstore product? I'm trying to think of something that's a go-to that I've gone to for years, and I'm going to stick with my Dickinson's Witch Hazel. That is something that I know I will forever keep in my skincare routine, so I'm going to stick with that. What is your favorite splurge makeup product? I am trying to see, because I'm one of those chicks. I do not spend a lot on makeup. I just really don't. I find things that work for me and I stick with them. Let me think what has been a splurge product. Like, all right, okay, this is going to be my answer, but I don't even use it on myself. I use it on my clients. But I'm gonna stick with my my Tient airbrush machine, because that baby was $400. So that is my splurge answer. That was number 12. Number 13. What is your most repurchased makeup product? I'm gonna say Double Wear. Like, I always go to my Double Wear, and then the toner. I forever buy the toner. Yeah. I mean, going forward, I will probably always Advanced Night Repair Serum. What is your earliest makeup memory? Earliest makeup memory, and this is a funny story, because I actually don't remember applying it, but I just remember one of my uncles, my Uncle Eric, if you're watching my video. Hi, Uncle Eric. But I just remember him fussing at my mom, like, why you let that girl wear that red lipstick? So that is going to be my earliest makeup memory. Number 15, what is your favorite place to shop for makeup? I I cannot just, I can't do it. I can't just answer one place. I can't, because I shop many of places. But yeah, I shop all over. I'm sorry, I shop all over. As many, I'm sure as many of you do, shop at several different places to compile this beautiful museum of makeup, right? All right, number 16, what is the most underrated makeup product you own? Underrated. I don't know if I can say underrated. I guess I can say it, but I don't know. Like, I love Marc Wile products. I feel like a lot of his products are underrated. You guys can see I've done some damage to this one. I have several products of his in my collection, and another item I love is the RCMA No Color Powder. Absolutely love this powder. It's amazing. I'm not gonna get deep off in that, but those are just a couple things that I feel are underrated. What is the most overrated makeup product? You know, there's not one I can name in particular, because I always feel like a lot of people like hype things up, especially like when they first come out, and usually, unless like I'm just really intrigued, I don't fall into that. So I don't know. I'm sorry guys, some of these I just honestly cannot answer, because a lot of times I don't fall into that trend of what's hot right now. You know, I do what works for me, and I stick with that. I don't try to compete with anyone, or, you know, who has the most makeup, or who has the most highest end makeup. I don't fall nowhere into that category. Although I do have some high end, I don't necessarily have to have high end. Again, I use what works for me. Again, I feel like a lot of products are overrated. Again, especially when they come out. You know, they hype them up in the beginning, and a lot of times as consumers we're disappointed, right? Drop down below a product that you think is overrated, and it could be something new, it could be something old, just overall. Just let me know what your thoughts are on that. Okay, number 18, what is a discontinued makeup product you wish would come back? All right, here's a good one. This is an eyeshadow palette by Estee Lauder, and I know not a lot, but when it comes up, I do voice my opinion on Estee Lauder's eyeshadows, because they really don't speak to artistry at all. But this guy right here, this one, such a beautiful palette. You know, you got your warm colors. It's just an overall good palette and good pigmentation. Yeah, I wish this is something they would keep permanently, but it is discontinued. I even hope that they come out with like a colorful palette and all mattes, just something like that. But there are a couple swatches from that palette, like so good. Like this cup, look at that. So good. You guys know I'll use any product anywhere if it's so silky and smooth. Like, anyway, but yeah, that's a good palette. So that would actually be a nice palette to come back. All right, so number 19, where do you go for makeup inspiration? It depends. If we or if I'm working on a certain thing, I would maybe Google images, or even get inspiration from either Instagram or YouTube, and now even TikTok. So, or even like colors can be a great inspiration. So any of those things. What do you hope to see less of in makeup's future? I would probably say the overdone brows. The overdone brows, and then, in my opinion, the square brows in the front. Because when you think about your brows in the front, they naturally are thin, in the front. They are naturally thin in the front, and then they get fuller towards the middle, and then thinned out on the end. A lot of these makeup artists, they are still doing these overdrawn brows. You guys, like some of you guys know that I live in the St. Louis area, and St. Louis is known as the show me state. A lot of times I refer to the brows that we do in this area as the St. Louis arch brows, because I'm like, geez, like soften it up a little bit. Okay, anyway, so that would be my answer for that. Okay, number 21, the last one. What do you hope to see more of in makeup's future? Let me go back to number 20, less of. I'm gonna also add in, don't get me wrong guys, I love long eyelashes, and I love creating like dramatic looks, just like for YouTube, or even like Instagram, or even TikTok. But you have some lashes out there that are like, oh my gosh, they're like walking tarantulas on your eyes. Like, that's crazy. Like, it's like an umbrella for your face. Anyway, so I would like to see less of that as far as everyday. Like, if you're doing something creative or doing a photo shoot or something like that, I feel as though that is fine. But walking around with the permanent ones, like the individual ones, like you can't clean your eyes or anything like that because you got these individual lashes on that are like so long, it's just no. So I would love to see less of that. Last one, what do you hope to see more of in makeup's future? I honestly don't know, because there's so much creativity these days, like from natural to dramatic. I don't know. I need you guys to help me out on this one. So also for number 21, what do you think you would like to see more of when it comes to makeup? Because I honestly don't know. Like, I've seen from, you know, very light coverage to full coverage to a natural eye to a very dramatic eye. So I honestly don't know. I don't have an answer for that. I look like Rudolph since I put that eyeshadow on my nose. But I don't know. That's the only one I just don't have an answer for, and I apologize. I'm sorry guys. So yeah, this was fun. Again, definitely make sure you check out the girls, their video, check out their tag video for this collaboration. And again, make sure you show the girls some love. And also my previous video before this video, it's a giveaway video, which it's not a complete, well, yes it is. It is a giveaway video. And I usually don't announce my giveaways, but I wanted to thank you guys for 5K. I appreciate you guys showing me love and being committed, and I'm looking forward to my next goal, which is going to be 10K. So definitely make sure you guys stick around. Yeah, so just make sure you stick around for all the new and exciting things that are to come for my channel. And yeah, so that is it for this video. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRHMAKEUP. And now I have a Beauty Over 40 handle that's on TikTok, and again it is _Beauty Over 40. So give your girl a follow over there. I actually need to drop that link down below. And then of course guys, if you're interested in any of my accessories, any of my fake gauges, my mink lashes, my turbies, my sterling silver jewelry, my scarves that I love to rock, and even a few fashion pieces, make sure you guys please check out my website. Until next time guys, remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.